Hello friends, under this advanced product filter with pagination tutorial series, we will make clear filter button. By click on clear filter button, it will remove all filter from this advanced product filter. After adding radio button filter, price range filter and multiple check box filter, now suppose user want to remove all filter by single click. So for this under this part, we will make clear filter button, using JavaScript. For this, we have go to index.html file, and here we have write, button type is equal to button, name is equal to clear filter. Next under this button element, we have write id attribute as a code to clear filter, and in button text, we have write clear filter. So when user has been click on this button, then all filter will be reset, and it will display all product on web page. Now we have go to JavaScript code part, and here we have write $function with button id clear filter dot on click event is equal to callback function. So when user has been click on clear filter button, then this block of code will execute. Under this block, first we want to remove filter from gender radio button. So here we have write gender elements variable is equal to document.get elements by class method, and under this we have write radio button class gender filter. Below this, we have write for loop, and under condition, we have write count variable is equal to 0, count variable value is less than the value of gender elements dot length value, and count variable value increment by 1. Under this loop, we have write gender elements with count variable value as argument, dot checked is equal to false, so this code will reset radio button property. Below this, we have write price elements is equal to document.get elements by class name, and under this, we have write price range filter class price filter. Next we have called remove active class function, with price elements variable as argument. This will remove active class from selected price range filter elements. It will reset price range filter. After this, we want to rest filter of checkbox filter. For this, we have write brand elements variable is equal to document.get elements by class method, and under this, we have write checkbox filter class brand filter. Below this, we have write for loop, and under this, we have write count variable is equal to 0, count variable value is less than the value of brand elements dot length value, and count variable value increment by 1. Under this loop, we have write brand elements variable, with count variable value as index.checked is equal false. This code will reset checkbox check property, and it will reset brand filter. So here we have reset radio button filter, price range filter and checkbox filter. Now we want to load all product on web page, with pagination link. So for this, here we have called load product function, with 2 argument, and in first argument, we have write 1, and second argument, we have write blank value. So it will display all product on web page, with pagination link, after reset of all filter. So here our code is ready. Now we have check output in browser. Friends, first we have refresh web page, and after refresh of web page, here we can see that more than 12,000 product page been load, with pagination link, with radio button filter, price range filter and checkbox filter, and above radio button filter, we can see that clear button has been appear. For check functionality of clear filter button, first we have use all filter for filter product on web page. Now we want to get only boys product, which has come under 1000, from 612 League brand. So first we have select 612 League brand, and here 612 League brand product has been load. So here total 16 product has been load. Now we want to get product under 1000, so here we have select under 1000 price range. So after select under 1000 price range, here can see that it has load 15 product from 612 League brand, with price under 1000. Next, we want to get only boys product, which has come under 1000 price, and from 612 League brand. So we have select boys option, and here we can see that product has been load. Now here we can see that total 10 product has been filter, so here it has display boys product, which comes under 1000 price, from 612 League brand. After apply all filter, now we want to reset all filter, and all product on web page, so we have click on this clear filter button. And after click on clear filter button, here we can see that all filter has been reset, and here we can see that again more than 12,000 product has been load on web page, without refresh of web page. So in this part, we have learned how to make clear filter button, or reset filter button using JavaScript, and remove all filter condition, and display all product on web page, without refresh of web page. In next part, we will add live search filter under the Savvy Dance product by using PHP script with JavaScript.